details. I have been quite preoccupied lately, especially with COVID-19. I didn't know what's that neither, so I searched the ID on my trusted website and I found a clip. Cough on video, so it must be that. I don't know who she is, but she has skills. Anyway, today's tutorial will be for the level of kindergarten kids, but watch this video to make my views counter higher, could you? So I can show to my grandma and she will be so proud when she see how popular I am. So how to take a photo with GCam? Take out your phone from your pocket or wherever you keep it. Check your lenses and just in case take some clean soft cloth or even paper tissue. Breathe on lenses and clean them with circular movement.
Wax on, wax off. Don't forget to breathe. Very important. Wax on, wax off.
Check if any dust left. Now look at the viewfinder. Those are grid lines. And yes, they are useful. You better have them if you don't want to join me here in my warm place. Set the camera to see the object a bit to the left or a bit to the right on the screen, where the grid lines are crossing. There is more rules or details than just that, of course, but in short. If the subject faces to your right side, position it on the left side of your frame. If the subject faces to your left side, position it on the right side of your frame. I will deal with him later. Tap on the object for proper focus and exposure and take the shot. With some more difficult light conditions, you might try tapping in slightly darker or brighter area. Take few shots and choose the one with exposure that you like the most. Remember, you can always crop it later, so better to have a bit bigger frame. Now few short tips without going into details. Need more exposure? Switch M to A and use slider. You can set focus where you want it. Use slider for manual focus. You want a bit more contrast and saturation? Use post-processing. You want more white, cold colors instead of yellow, especially at night? Use Google Auto White Balance on. You want to take a shot of sunset with silhouette effect? Use LDR option by tapping here. You think it's not enough HDR? Switch to Global Library by tapping here. You want to take photo of moving object and it's blurry? Try fast shutter by switching here. You want to take a portrait of human and it's too sharp for you and you are lazy to edit? Switch here to portrait mode or 48 mode if you don't use my red mode. That's all I can think of right now. You can try different combinations with those options, just play around with them. Now, go take photos. Cheers!